Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase data visualization strategies with Adobe Analytics, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. Begin by opening Adobe Analytics on your computer. Log in with your credentials to access the dashboard. Navigate to the Reports section to start visualizing your data. Select the dataset you want to analyze. Choose a relevant metric from the drop-down menu. Click on the Add Metric button to include additional data points. Select the appropriate date range for your analysis. Explore the various visualizations available in the Visualize tab. Choose between charts, graphs, or maps depending on your data. For a more detailed view, click on the chart options to customize your visuals. Adjust settings such as colors, labels, and legend positions to suit your preferences. Save your visualization by clicking on the Save icon. Name your report and add a description if necessary. Once saved, you can share it with your team directly from the dashboard. For deeper insights, utilize the Segments feature to filter your data. Create custom segments that focus on specific user behaviors or demographics. Analyze how different segments impact your key metrics. Using annotations, add notes to your data visuals for context. Regularly revisit your visualizations to ensure they reflect the latest data. Consider using Adobe's machine learning tools for predictive analytics. Incorporate user feedback to continually improve your data displays. Export your final visualizations into formats like PDF or CSV for presentations. Utilizing these strategies will help you effectively increase your data visualization capabilities with Adobe Analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.